me film it.
No, you're good. Hey guys, welcome to the Showstopper Shows. You read the title right. This is a brand new organic Red Bull. It's ginger ale. It's organic and spicy. And when I bought it, the guy was like, it's not good. So I'm gonna get and open this. This is a fun review for me, guys. Let's try this. Ooh, there we go. Let me smell it for y'all first. Ooh, it smells just like ginger ale. A little Canada Dry. Cool thing about it, it says it has lemon juice in it and other natural flavors, including ginger. So let me go ahead and try this as let's try it. Dang it, it is a little spicy. It's got a little kick to it. And actually, it reminds me of like a natural soda I would get from Whole Foods, like one of those like Dr. Pepper knockoffs that has like all the good sugar in it. That's actually pretty good. It's got 22 grams of sugar, and it says it's got flavors from plant extract. That's different. I actually kind of like it. I'm a ginger ale fan anyway, so that actually has a good flavor. It's got a little spice and a little kick to it. That's good. Now, if you don't like ginger ale and you don't like odd beverages, you won't like this. So no caffeine, a Red Bull organic drink with no caffeine. All right, so let me give you my rating of that. That's a Showstopper Sizzle. I'm gonna give it like an 84 though. It's okay. It's not the best, so it's like an 8.4 out of 10. I like it. I'm gonna drink it and enjoy it. $2.49 at this random gas station I stopped at. This is my buddy Brad over here. We're headed to the Tennessee game. And Matt back here. All right, guys. Hey, thanks for watching the Showstopper Shows. Give this video a like, and if you've tried this or like ginger ale or don't, let me know too in the comments below. Thanks for watching. The show stops here.
Never quit, y'all.
Yeah! I got fans everywhere.